Hello students, welcome to ICSE Class 10 Foundation Mathematics by R.S. Agrawal, Goel Brothers Publications. We are with chapter Measures of Central Tendency, and in that one we are working with median, quartiles and mode. This is episode 10.5. We are working with exercise 26A, that is according to my textbook. In the previous episode 10.4 we have seen about question number 1. In this episode 10.5 I have selected question number 2 to 5. In this question number 2 to 5 I am going to solve only two sums. One is question number 2 and the another one that I am going to solve is question number 5. Question number 3 and 4 will be your homework. So let us start with question number 2. So here I will write answer 2. Answer 2. Here marks of 15 students is given in an examination. So you have already known that the number of observation is which one? Number of observation is how many? 15 are there, and 15 is which sort of a number? 15 is an odd number. Then the median for the odd number is what? N plus 1 upon 2. That means m is equal to 15 plus 1 upon 2 is equal to 16 upon 2 is equal to 8th observation. So now before writing the answer of the 8th observation, we have to write down all the observations in an ascending order. So we got 17, 17, 19, 19, we got 20, then 21 is there, 22 is there, 23 is there, 24 is there, 25 is there. After 25, which number you come across? Yes, the last one, 26 is there. 26, then 31, no, 29, 29 is there, 29, then 31, 35 and 40 is there. Let me check whether there are 50 observations or not. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yes, it is 15th observation. So here we will write about the 8th observation. So our 8th observation, m is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it is 23. So our answer is 23, median is 23. Then make a box. I hope you understood. It is pretty simple. So arrange according to the ascending order and then find out the value of m. Now we'll move on to sum number 5. Question number 3 and 4 will be your homework. So we move on to sum number 5. So this is answer 5. So we are with answer 5. Number 1. So the median of the observations 11, 12, 14, 18, x plus 4, 30, 32, 35, 41 are arranged in ascending order is 24. So the median of the data is given as what? 24. And we have to find out the value of x. So x equal to question mark. And what are the observations here? The observations here are 11, 12, 14, 18, x plus 4, then 30, then 32, then 35 and 41. So now if you see n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it is 9 observation. 9 means what? Odd number. Odd number, then the formula for median is equal to what? N plus 1 upon 2 is equal to 9 plus 1 upon 2 is equal to 10 upon 2 is equal to 5th observation. So m is equal to 5th observation is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is x plus 4. Here you don't have to arrange in ascending order because it has already arranged in ascending order for you. So it is already in ascending order. So no need to worry. So m is equal to x plus 4. What is the value of m given? 24 is equal to x plus 4. Therefore, x is equal to 24 minus 4. Therefore, x is equal to 20. X is equal to what? X is equal to 20. So I hope you understood this question number 5 also. It is pretty simple and very easy. So let us work it out with the sum number 2. So I'm just going to make a column here for 5th one, sum number 2. It is given 10, 13, 15. So let me write down, okay, here 10, 13, okay. So here 10, 13, 15, 18, x plus 1, x plus 3, then 31, 36, 38 and 42. All of them are in ascending order and the median is given as what? Median is given as 28. We have to find out the value of x. Now if you count, you get n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 means what? Even number. So the formula for the even number is what? M is equal to 1 upon 2. Which observation? Fifth observation and sixth observation. So here 1 upon 2. Fifth observation is which one? X plus 1 plus x plus 3. And what is the median given? The value of M is given as 28. 2 goes here, it becomes 56 is equal to 2x plus 4. 4 goes this side, so it becomes minus. So 56 minus 4 is equal to 2x. Therefore x is equal to what? 52 upon 2. So answer that will give me, that is 26. So I hope you understood the sum, how I got 26. Any questions here? Any questions? Please let me know in the comment box. So this is how we do sum number 5, sub question 1 and 2. It is simple. You just have to use the formula and some basic mathematics. I hope you enjoyed it. So this is the end of this session. I will continue with question number 6 to 10 in the next episode. Thanks very much guys. Thank you. See the video one or twice to understand it with much betterness. Thanks very much guys.